paper. No. Guilty paper. No.
Okay, let's start, Julio. So, good afternoon. So, today we are continuing our practice or reviewing with pie graphs. Okay, so a pie graph again is a circle that shows how a whole group is divided into parts. Okay, each slice of the circle represents a group, and the size of the slice tells us how big or small the group is compared to the whole. So in our past sessions, Julio, you learned how to read a pie graph by looking at the slices and understanding percentages. You also learned how to make a pie graph by turning numbers into fractions, decimals, and percentages, then calculating the angle of each sector to draw the slices correctly. So in this session, we will review everything again to make sure you understand it well. So you will practice reading pie graphs and explaining what the slices mean here, making pie graphs using data from tables or surveys, okay, and changing the numbers into fractions, decimals, and percentages so you can compare groups clearly. And also finding the angle of each sector so you can draw the slices correctly in the circle. So this review again is important because pie graphs are used in many subjects like math, science, and even in real life surveys. So by practicing this, Julio, you will become more confident in reading data, comparing groups, and making your own graphs. Today, we will go step by step, check your understanding, and do activities together so you can master this skill. Okay? Julio, you are doing great so far in our past sessions. Okay? So this session will help you become even stronger in reading and making pie graphs. Okay? So let's start. What can you see here in our activity today? It is all about what?
Cars.
Okay, it is all about cars in my street. Okay, kindly read this one.
Yesterday I counted all the cars in my street. I counted 9 Toyotas, 5 Hondas, 3 BMWs, 6 Audis, 3 Cavaliers, and 4 Mercedes. Use the information to complete the pie graph.
Okay.
But teacher, we did a work and they had something like this with the percentage, but there was one part that did not have the percentage, and it said what
Like
what
this?
does yes.
Okay. But for now, um you will be making pie graph correctly. Then the next part is all about this one. Percentage and there's no percentage. Okay? Because we still have a lot of time. So don't worry. Okay, so count the total number of cars and divide 360 degrees by the total number. So you know how the size of an angle that represents one car in your circle graph. So you already know how to do this. So the data shows 9 cars, which is Toyota, 5 cars, which is Honda, BMW for 3 cars, Audi for 6 cars, Chrysler for 3 cars, and Mercedes for 4 cars. Step one, Julio, you need to find the total number of cars.
Okay,
You show it in the screen how you will find the total number of cars, please. Thank you.
I'm just gonna do it all in my head. I'm gonna write it down. The 28
No,
is it adding or multiplying?
you're adding. That's the step, right? Find the total numbers. 9 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4. Just count the total number of cars.
And then 27.
Hmm? Why?
27. You said to add.
Okay. So that's 9 Toyotas, 5 Hondas, 3 BMWs, 6 Audis, 3 Chryslers, and 4 Mercedes. Ah, no, it's not 27.
What? 9 plus 5 plus 4 makes 14. 14 plus 3 equals 17. And 17 plus 6 equals 23. And 23 plus 4 is 27.
Here, the Chryslers.
And then plus 4, 31.
No, 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 no. 9 plus 5. You do it again in your calculator. 9 plus 5
9 plus 5,
plus
14.
3
Plus 3 plus 17 plus
plus
6,
6
23. And
plus
23
3,
plus 26,
26 plus 4.
30.
Okay, that's 30. So I will write it down. The total number, 30 cars. Okay, the total number is 30 cars. Now the step 2 here is we need to look for the fractions, the decimals, and the percentage. Okay, so what is the fraction for the Toyota? We will start here first. It's already given, but we still need to look for the percentage. What is the fraction for Toyota?
Fraction of Toyota?
Mm-hmm. 9 over,
10.
is it 9 over 10? Total numbers. 9 over 9 over 30. Okay. 9 over 30. And you have to simplify.
Rise.
You have to simplify, okay? Simplify or look for its greatest common factor. Make the fraction smaller, not divide them, okay? Very good. That would be 3/10. Now, what are you going to do is look for its decimal. Change the fraction into decimal. 3/10. How do you write it in decimal form? 3/10. Very good, Julio. Keep it up. Now, you times it by 100 because this whole circle is 100% and it's 360 degrees. Now, 0.3 or 3/10, that would be how many percentage? That is 30%. Very good, Julio. Now,
I'm just gonna picture this.
okay, now let's proceed on to the next 5 Hondas. Okay, 5 Hondas. I'm gonna erase this one and then write it here because the degree is already given here. Total number is 30 cars. Now next is Honda. Same process, Julio. 5 Hondas. Just write it down here first. 5 Hondas. Make it into a fraction. Simplify if possible. 1/6. Divide and estimate. Okay, estimate. This is 1/66666, right? So this one is 6. Round off. 0.167. 0.167. Okay? And then, what are you going to do next? Look for its percentage. Since you already have the fraction, the decimal, now the percentage. Okay, now the Honda, for 5 Hondas, that would be 16.7%. The next thing is look for the angles of sectors. So you can draw it down here. You can draw it down here na po. So what are you going to do? Is you divide 5/30. You times 5/30 to 360 degrees. 5 divided by 30 times 360 degrees to know the angles of sector when it comes to Hondas. So that we can draw it down here na. Do that, please. So 5 divided by 30 times 360 degrees. Times 5 divided by 30 times 360 degrees. Okay, that would 60.12 or just 60%. Okay, 60%. Okay, can you try to draw it out? The 60 in your protractor. If this is already 108, where is 60? If you draw it down like this one, this is already 180. Okay, that's half of the circle. That's 180. We are just looking for the 60%. So it should be less here. It's less.
This?
Where's your protractor? Try to look for the 60.
Okay. But where do I put it? Do I just put it like this?
Like here. Like the protractor here. And this is the middle. So imagine this one, right? This one, this is already 100. Wait, I'm explaining. This is already 180 degrees, this part. We are just looking for the 60. So 108 plus 60, it's just 168. So it should be less here.
This?
It's less. 60. So it's acute, right? Acute. So if this is 180 degrees and we are just looking for the 60, estimate, okay, estimate is in here. Okay, you could also do that. Yeah. So there. Now you write it down, the five Honda and 5 cars, and what is the degree? Okay, 5 Hondas, so 5 cars of Hondas. And what degree? That would be 60 degrees. Why did I write percent here? It's degrees. So it's wrong. 60 degrees. Okay, next, 3 BMWs. 3 BMWs, write down, look for the fraction, the decimal, the percentage, and the angle of each sector.
Also, teacher, you think I did it it was like this, except it was not showing the degrees, the percentage, and it didn't show the number five Toyotas. It just said Toyota.
Toyota. Okay, BMW, 3 BMWs. Decimal, fraction, percentage, and the degree.
I have a Stanley Cup. Teacher.
So 0.1 times 100, what percentage? That would be 10%. Okay. So look for the angle of, so this is 168. So if you add another 10, If you add another 10, that's 178. Look for the angle of sector for BMW. 3 divided by 30 times 360 degrees. For 3 BMWs, it's 3%, just 3% only.
How? Sure how?
What how? 3 divided by 30 times 360 degrees.
Oh, okay. But I thought we were gonna do this one.
We're already done. So this is already 10%. For 3 BMWs, it's 30%. It's 10%.
Clap.
So this is 5 cars. Plus. And this is 16.7%.
Then
Okay, so it's 36%. So it's also acute.
the reason why I didn't really look good when we started is because it's a gamer thing again. But I wasn't playing during class. I wasn't playing during class. I was playing, and then I was like, "This guy is hurting one of my friends. I'm gonna kill him." But then a glitch happened because the game is kind of laggy, and then I got stuck. And then the person just got a free kill, and I tried to give a bench, kill him. But I died again. I changed characters. I still died again, and he just humped my dead body when I was dead. Signal easy. And I tried to say, "Go kill yourself, get alive," but it didn't work because Roblox is such a scaredy cat. And that's why.
Okay, so
And in my class was stress eating French fries.
it's okay, it's all right. Okay, so since this is 36, this is 36 degrees, not 36%. 36 degrees. So we estimate it like a part of this one, kind of like this one. There. Okay, so this is 36 degrees. So we are going to write down 3 cars for BMW. And this is 10% and 36 degrees. Okay? Now we proceed with the 6 Audis. Same process, Julio. Look for the fraction, look for the decimal, percentage.
What's Audi? I've never seen Audi in my life.
That's an Audi.
I want this when I grow up.
Okay, let's go back. 6 over 30.
It doesn't matter if you're bald. You just need a car. That's what Ben Diesel did. He gets a car and he got chicks.
Okay, 6 over 30. Simplify. No, it's not 1/5.
What do you mean?
Yeah. Well, that was 1/5. I thought it's 1/6. Okay, my bad.
Teacher,
1/5.
is your brain not braining? Is your brain not braining?
I'm sorry. I make
What's
mistakes
next?
also.
What's next? You're an unk and you play the prehistoric 5, and now you can't even see that it's 1/5.
Okay.
Teacher, are you turning old?
Now 1 divided by 5. Turn it into a decimal, then times it by 100 to look for the percentage. Okay, now for the Audi, that would be times it to 100, and that would be 20%. Why is it 72? 0.2? 0.2
Oh
times
wait,
100?
okay. Okay, wait. I accidentally times it with 36. 3600. Like I was saying, um, 0, 2, 20.
Okay, so
Teacher,
20%.
my hand slipped. I accidentally wrote that. I
It's okay.
accidentally
It's
wrote that.
okay. It's okay. It doesn't matter. At least you correct it. Now, if you divide 6 over 30 times 360 degrees, what do you get? How many degrees does Audi have? Do it
Okay.
now. Do it now.
Okay. Teacher, do you always have that one friend when you told him
Do
your
this
crush?
first. Do this first. Do this first.
And then you hang out with your crush and you're just talking, and then you kind of get close in. Then your friend goes, yo, what's happening? And then starts teasing.
No.
That's my,
Okay.
that's my, one of my classmates does that to me, and I don't like it.
Okay, Julio, our first session is done. What should be the degree? Times it to 360 now.
72.
72 degrees. So we estimate, and it's kind of like this one. Okay? So 72 degrees here. Okay? So let's have a short break. So this pie graph is a circle that shows all 30 cars. We're not yet done, so we will continue this. But this activity will help you practice turning numbers, fraction, decimal percentage, and angles. Okay, let's have a short break and we will continue making your pie graph. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll call you back again. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.